Hi, I'm Bob Pofahl with Picacho Mountain and West Mesa Builders. We're here at Builder Source with Randy Montoya, and Builder Source has always provided all of our appliances for our Picacho Mountain courtyard patio homes as well as our estate homes. And our standard appliance package has been the GE Profile, but as Randy will share with you, they have lots of options for our buyers. Randy, you want to tell us a little bit about Builder Source?
Absolutely, and we want to thank Bob and West Mesa Builders for letting us provide appliances for their beautiful homes. And yes, we do have their option here in store, GE Profile, but also behind me you have a couple of different options where if the customer decided they wanted to upgrade and do something a little nicer, I'm sure Bob wouldn't mind getting it in that house and they would enjoy it.
And Randy, not only do you provide the kitchen appliances, but you also now provide the washers and dryers and other appliance packages also, is that correct?
Yeah, we try to give the customer an experience, similar to what you do as a home builder, and for them to come in and be able to touch, feel, and be able to experience the product before it even goes in their home. Seeing what it looks like, different things, different options. A lot can go into a home, and appliances are something that the homeowner is going to use on a daily basis. So it's pretty important for them to come in and find what they like and what they can adapt to. So.
Great, and this is really exciting partnership we have because Builder Source is only, I would guess, a couple miles away from the Picacho Mountain site. So it's a real easy place to bring all of our customers and home buyers down to experience this fabulous showroom. Also, we're all in the building business here getting excited about the Showcase of Homes that will begin on Friday, April 26th for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then the first weekend of May. And so we're all getting really excited about that. And Builder Source will be hosting the Builder and Realtor Luncheon Tours. And we appreciate Builder Source and their participation in that and the Showcase of Homes. That's always a big time of year for all of us, isn't it?
It's a fun and exciting time, and thank you to Nicole and the Home Builders Association and everything that goes into that event. It's to showcase your guys' talents and your guys' designs and the vision you guys create, and it's a fun time for everybody, and it's fun to see, getting to see what everyone gets to put together.
And Picacho Mountain will have several homes available for our visitors to tour, as well as other homes throughout the city. So we look forward to seeing you out at Picacho Mountain and in homes all over the community that last week in April and first weekend of May. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.